How to change your name on Facebook. Step 1. Tap the three-line menu icon. On iPhone, the three-line menu icon will be at the bottom. Tap the gear icon. Tap See More in Accounts Center. Tap Profiles. Select the Facebook account you want to change the name for. Select Name. Enter the name you want to change to. After entering the name, tap Review Change. Choose the name display format. Tap Save Changes. Just like that, you successfully changed your Facebook name. No, you can only change your name once every 60 days. That's it. Make sure to follow me for more useful Facebook tips.